A section of the ruling Jubilee members of the National Assembly, led by Majority Leader Aden Duale, have challenged court leader Raila Odinga to provide evidence on his allegations that Ugandans and Ethiopians along our common borders are being registered as Kenyan voters. Duale says the opposition is now spreading propaganda after realizing areas considered to have a strong support for Jubilee registered more people in the ongoing countrywide voter registration exercise.
Touching on the sovereignty of other neighboring countries. You can't mention Ethiopia and Uganda. So you must tell who are these NSIS officers, which BVR kits, which regions. We want to see the Ugandans live. We want to see the Ethiopians live. We challenge Raila Odinga. Raila is crying foul because voter numbers are not on his side. Jubilee, led by President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy William Ruto, are going to all parts of our country in a strong come out and register as voters, and it's bearing fruit in our areas. Crying wolf won't help Raila Odinga. NIS has no role in voter registration.